Welcome back to Martin's Plays. Today's video shows how to get the full working cheat for GTA San Andreas, working on Android 13, 15. There's a complex method to bypassing the locked data folder, and this video will break it down easily for you to understand. Like and subscribe if it helps at the end.
First, you download the GTA SA app and the OBB file. When you install the app, you move the OBB file to the OBB folder in the Android directory. Then you set it up. Then you open the app and clear it back to get the data folder. But when you click the data folder of the GTS app, you are going to see access denied. This is a common problem in Android 13, 14 and 15. So to bypass this access denied, you get Shizuku app. You get Shizuku app and you open it. Then you try to pair it successfully. I'll drop a link and a video to access how to successfully pair Shizuku app with your developer options. You pair it to developer options, you turn on wireless debugging and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Then you click it and you see pair device with pairing code. Then you pair it with your Shizuku app. Once you pair it, you start the app and go back to Z Archiver. Go to root and type of root access, click Shizuku. Then toggle on use for Android data and OBB. Then the link I will drop in the description is how to get the zip file for the cheat. So once you complete these steps, you get the zip file. Since it is locked, you will unlock it with the password. The password is displayed. And now you select all the cheats and copy to that data folder. Since it is going to be unlocked now you go to GTA and paste everything inside. So now it is pasted. Now we can go back to our game. Just slide the screen from up to down and you see everything. You successfully added cheat to your app. Now let's test the cheat by getting money. As you can see at the right side of the screen, the money is increasing. My wanted level is in 2 stars, so I can simply just use lower wanted level from the cheat menu. That's it. It's done.
Remember, first thing is to get the Shizuku app to bypass locked data folder. Then you can paste your cheat files in the GTA data folder.